Hi everyone, this is your sewing teacher Veronica, and in this video I will show you how to use an automatic threader on Janome sewing machine. My model is M30A, but it looks very similar on all Janome machines. So first of all, my top thread and bottom thread should be already prepared, so I have these numbers on my sewing machine or size that you have. As we go through all these parts, and I'm close to the needle now. So what I do first, I use a hook on the left side. There are also one on the right side, but I really like to use this one on the left. Yeah, so we put our thread closer to the needle, and if you struggle to go through the eye of the needle, if you don't see very well, this model has an automatic threader. So how does it work? What I need to do, I need to pull it down. What is important for me that my needle should be in my highest position. So what you need to do is to turn your hand wheel and make sure it's on the top position. Yes, or my machine has this button that moves your needle up or down. So you can do this if you have it, and then it will automatically end up in the highest spot. Okay, so again, what I do, I put my threader all the way down, and if you can see really close, there is a small tiny metal hook here. So what I do, I push it towards me, this plastic part, push it towards me, and this small hook should go through the eye of the needle. You probably can see it, like it goes through this eye. Yeah, so this is what we need. Make sure this metal hook goes through the eye. And now with the thread, I have to first go around this plastic hook on the left. So I take my thread and I hold this thing, because if I release it, it will go up. So I go around this hook on the left, and now I need to go underneath this tiny metal hook. It still goes through the needle eye. Yes, so I go first around the left plastic one, and then underneath the small one right here. And this is it. What I do now, I hold my thread and I just release my threader. And what happened, there is like a small loop, so this small hook pulled the thread through the eye. You have this loop, and you just make it longer and we place it underneath the foot to the back of the machine. This is it. I hope it was clear. If you have more questions, please let me know in the comments.